get out of my bed too much, and I catch myself caring too much, and I can't fix myself alone.
All right, here we go, round one. Two of the best heavyweights in the world, Stipe Miocic taking on Daniel Cormier. And you just seem to have this knack for rising to the occasion, even when you haven't had a great training camp. How do you feel going in there tonight?
Feeling very good, because you understand the level of fighter that Stipe Miocic is. You have to be on your game if you're going to get a victory over Stipe. And if DC isn't, he's going to lose his fight.
Oh, nice land there with the punch. You see, he's taking advantage of what is an obvious edge and reach.
Let it go now.
Circling to his right. Just misses with the jab there. Well, it's one thing to have length, it's another thing to use it, and he does it as well as anyone. Nice kick there by DC. Oh, nice kick there by Daniel Cormier. DC, I know we talk about your wrestling all the time, but I know you feel like you got a lot of power in your kicks and a lot of power in your hands as well. I guess Stipe Miocic can speak to that.
Liver kick.
Just over 3 minutes to go, round one.
Nice leg kick lands.
Cormier's strike attempt there is blocked. Oh, and he tags him with the straight. Nice job there by DC. Just missed. And right there, his opponent's wobble, champ.
He's hurt bad. This dude needs to grab. He needs to wrestle. He has to do something. He cannot take another shot like that.
An elbow!
What a fantastic strike to throw at the exact right moment. He deserves this. He'll finish his fight.
And just like that, the fight is over.
Oh! Woo!
Yeah, that right there is a highlight.